Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Again I am back with the videos, that is week 8 subject English worksheet number 22. So here I am ready with the worksheets and I know you people also having worksheet with you, right? If not, so please take out your worksheet number 22 subject English. Okay? So look at here in your worksheet number 22, what you have children? You have picture reading. In your worksheet number 22, you have picture reading. You have to read the letters with the pictures. Okay? So start reading. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion. Now turn the page. M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rose, S for swing, T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for van, W for what, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. Okay? So like this you have to do your picture reading. Okay children, now take out your worksheet number 23. So here in your worksheet number 23 you have missing letters. You have to write the missing letters. Train picture you have, in the train boxes you have to complete your missing letters. Okay? So come on, start the work. A is here, B also you have, C also you have, D also you have. But missing letter is, which letter is missing here? E. So write the capital E in the dash. Okay. Next, G, H, I, J, dash you have. After dash, L, M you have. So which letter is missing children? Yes? Right. Absolutely right. K is missing. So write K here. Next line. N dash P dash R S. So in the dash, which letter you have to write? N after O. O you have to write in the dash. Then next letter you have P. P after? Yes? Yeah, right. Q. Okay? Write here Q, capital Q you have to write. So now T you have, then dash you have. So T after, which letter you have to write here in the dash? U, capital U you have to write here. Then V already you have in the box. After V, dash you have. So what you have to write here in the dash? Yes? U also you have, V also you have. Which letter is missing? W. Okay? Write W here. Then X you have. More two dash you have. In the dash, missing letter you have to write there. So you know very well what you have, which letter you have to write over there. So start writing Y, Z. So like this you have to complete your worksheet number 23. Now turn the page children. Now here look at in your worksheet number 23, what you have? Trace the letters and write them again. Letters you have there, then to that letter you have to trace, then you have to write them again in the dash. So start pressing. A you have here. Press the letter A. Dash you have. Okay children. So in the dash, same capital A you have to write. Understand? Like this. Then press to the B letter in the dash. Again you have to write capital B. Then press to the B letter. Then dash you have, in the dash you have to write capital B. For the practice I gave you this, okay? Then capital C you have, trace to the capital C. Dash you have, in the dash write capital C. Okay? So like this you have to complete your worksheet number 23. Now take out your worksheet number 24 children. So look at in your worksheet number 24 children, what you have to do? Say the letters and circle the words that begin with their sound. Okay? What you have to do? Say the letters and circle the words that begin with their sound. So what you have to do children? Here you have to circle the word that begins with the letter E. Okay? Let's see what are the words given here. So the first word is egg. Then the second word is door. And the last word is elephant. Understand? First word is egg, second word is door, and the last word is elephant. So now, what do you think? Which word begin with the letter E children? You have door, egg or elephant. So do you think door begin with E? Yes or no? No. Egg begins with E letter. Right? So what you have to do here? An elephant also begin with E. So what you have to do here children? You have to circle egg and elephant. Okay? Like this you have to circle. Next, what you have? Flower, fish, girl. So which letter you have here? F. So F for flower also correct, fish also correct. Okay. So circle to flower, then fish. In the same way, next line, G you have. Okay, letter G you have. G for 3 pictures you have. Grapes, tree, goat. So which one is the correct word? Grapes also and goat also. Circle to the grapes and to the goat also. Next, H you have. So more 3 pictures you have. House, helicopter, yacht. So which is the correct word? Yes, right. House and helicopter is the correct word. Circle it. Turn the page children. Here you have very easy activity. Okay, circle the letter E. Just you have to search how many E letters you have in the egg picture. So to the letter E you have to circle it. Okay, start circling E. Here you have E letter, here also, and here also. Circle it properly, okay children? Like this you have to circle. Next, circle the letter F. In the picture fish, many letters you have, but only to the letter F you have to circle, okay? Start circling. F, F, F. Many F you have. You can circle very easily. Done? So like this you have to complete your worksheets. Now you know very well how to complete your worksheet. Do it with the neat handwriting and send it to me for correction. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.